Also, our non-teaching staff who are here. Oh, yung mga nandiyan. And the beautiful and handsome Bicol University College of Medicine faculty. Yes. Dr. Isim, Dr. June, Dr. Berin, and then Dr. Mayan Isim is the first lady of Dr. Ring. We have Dr. Karen Gregorio over there, Dr. Michelle Vela, and of course the Mother BCM, Ma'am LD. Yes. Ay, okay. Si Dr. Kim Petuale is over there. So, sabi nga ni Ma'am Linia, this is really, this is a symbol of the resilience of the students, the Bicol University College of Medicine, and the BUCE. You know, throughout the 10 years, I think that BUCE was been in existence. They've always, the College of Education has always been there, watching over us. So tayo naman, we started really young as a college, but they've always been there. So we belong to one cluster. So si Ma'am Karina separated herself and went to another day as sponsor of the Christmas cheers for the Bicol University Christmas celebration. So I won't take you to wait for long because of time constraint. So I just want to say that Christmas will always be a symbol of hope, will always be a symbol for us to have enthusiasm and to look forward for a very prosperous new year ahead. So let's start the ball rolling. Dr. Rick Isip, back to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the very wonderful short speech. A round of applause for Nadine again, please. And to show you the proof of what she was mentioning kanina for our audience. Later. You know, Christmas is not a season. Christmas is a frame of mind. It's a feeling that you have when you are together with your loved ones and the people who love you. Just like in this very room, the faculty and staff of BUCM loves our dear student, and we hope you feel the same towards us. And of course, the people from Edo who is sharing the venue with us today. Without further ado, let's call in. Ready na ba? Year number one? Year number one. You have the floor. Year number one of College of Medicine for their Christmas cheer.
Kutita, bumubusin-sita, pinalagita ng mga bumbilya. Kikinda-kinda, kukura-kura, pinaglalaroan ninyong mga mata.
Kumukuti-kutita, bumubusin-sita, pinalagita ng mga bumbilya. Kikinda-kinda, kukura-kura, pinaglalaroan ninyong mga mata.
Iba't ibang palamuti, ating isabit sa puno. Buhusan ang mga kulay, tambakan ng mga regalo. Tumitibok-tibok, sumisinok-sinok, ilang manunod sa sabik. Pupulupot-lupot,
Alright, you level one, please stay where you are. And don't move. Don't move. Merry Christmas, you level one. Thank you for your effort. Thank you. Thank you for the harmony. Yeah. Okay, may announcement si Dr. Bilin.
Okay, for the presenters for year 1, yung carbohydrate clinical conference this year, perfect kayo.
Congratulations! Alright, truly, the spirit of Christmas is in the air. Now, with that performance from the first year, what do you expect from the second year? Level up, second year guys. Are you guys ready now? So let's give them time to set up. Second year. Set up your instrument.
Hello po, good evening, BCL. Hello po, BCL. Shoutout po sa best friend niya! So, ayun. And so, set up muna kami, and papakilala muna. So, my name is Anna, second year, batch 2025. Of the vocals and guitar, and we have Lance, or our guitar din. Then for our keyboard, wala pa siya. Yeah. We also have Era, Jello, and Jake for our vocals. And Kuya Henson for our keyboard. This song pala, feeling ko familiar kayong lahat nito kasi from a famous band siya, which is Ben and Ben. So may nga kayo, kung gusto nyo, mag-ready lang kayo. Okay, sige po.
Lancelot, galingan mo, please! Invite mo, please! Sabi mo daw yan kasi Galaga mo kay Henson!
You know, the volume of your So just give me a thumbs up. Here you come. Ladies and gentlemen, from the College of Medicine, please welcome with a big round of applause, year level 2.
Bang gabi na naman, tayo'y gising na patulog pa lang buwan. Simoy ng
Guys, stay here. I will join you here. You know why I will join you? She's coming over to give us something for Christmas. So thank you very much. You never kiss me naman. Sa kanila naman. Yung gusto makaisip ng gift, kailangan kumanta. Yun ang rule for tonight, ha? Oh, maya. Okay. Guys, thank you very much. You're level 2. And now, one of the most awaited second. Of course, ito na ang mga pinakamatagal sa BUCN ngayon. Ibig sabihin, mas level up yung performance ninyo. Are you ready, third year? Okay, disclaimer lang, yung isa doon sa performer, mentee ko, no? He is my mentee. Kaya makikita nyo kung bakit gano'n siya kagaling kumanta. Okay, yung mentee ko na lang. Alright, you guys ready? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for year level 3.
Good evening to everyone. So, i-honor ko namin itong performance for the whole of GCM. Especially sa mga sabi ni Doc Isip na greatest singers ng GCM. Official audition ko po to. Pwede mo sumama.
Savior Jesus Christ. Love like that starlight on the first Christmas morn. Returns to the manger where Christ the child was born. And let us rejoice, let us sing a Christmas carol. With joyful voice, proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the ones to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our
Grabe, yun pala, sasayaw ka, parang mayroong gift. Grabe. Thank you very much, Queen. So now you know, if you do a cartwheel, meron ka pa rin. Alright, so, everybody, I want to request everyone to please settle down and feast your eyes and ears on the mastery of sound and music. Hindi nito us none other by one of your very able preceptors from the third year. All right, to give us a very, very unfamiliar song number. Unfamiliar, we don't know this song. Please give your hands, put your hands together for the one who's going to sing. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Dr. Jude Rivera. Christmas is everyone. From now on, troubles will be here we are as the old days gather near to us once more. With the youth we all together, with the faith alive, and a shining star above the highest bough. And yourself on very alive, and a shining star above the highest bough. And yourself on very Christmas Dr. Jun, pakibalik lang ng gift sa Christmas tree. Thank you very much, Dean. Thank you. And of course, a round of applause for Dr. Rivera. Now, again, to show our hospitality, BUCM, please give a warm welcome to our guests, the Bicol University College of Education. It's your turn, guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Grabe ka naman dun, Trisha. Pero ang tanong, tapos ka na ba sa episode 6 ng field study natin?
Oo nga, kung makakanta ka naman dyan, alam mo, nagawa mo ng portfolio mo sa field study.
Actually, 1/4 pa lang.
Pero okay lang yan kasi ka-graduate year tayo.
Yung siguro core memory. Core memory. Ang core memory para sa akin is as a culture and art student, syempre, kami ay, gasgas na sa amin yung mga theater production, yung pagtugtog ng mga instruments, yung pag-art, yung iiyak ka na lang sa hallway, no way! Kaya gano'n, di ba? Parang, very kahit saan kami ng mga art. Ikaw, Jimmy!
Ba talagang ating friend, ano, napaka-talented talaga basta culture and arts education student. Ako naman as an English major, of course, di na mawawala dyan mga branches of linguistics, mga paggawa ng mga literary analysis, yung mga literary theories, and you know what, on top of that, syempre, along with these memories, isa sa mga bagay na I'm really grateful for Bicol University is for allowing me to become who I am, to express who I am, what my sexuality is. I was able to build that courage to break gender stereotypes. And as a trans educator, di ba, malaking bagay yun sa akin to raise the flag of my community. Ikaw, Vince, ano ba yung core memory mo?
Siyempre marami akong dumagdag sa core memory. Pero siguro starting first year, part na kasi sa akin ng pagiging siingan ko yung part ng College Student Council. Since first year ako to fourth year na yun. Kaya part na aking Siinian blood na mag-serve sa ating College of Education through initiatives, programs, and activities. And syempre as a social studies major, mahalaga na pag-aralan natin ang lipunan para maka-better serve tayo as future educators. And syempre, connected dito sa 4 pillars ng Bicol University. Ano nga ba yun, Trisha?
Number 1.
Leadership,
Number 2.
scholarship,
Number 3.
character,
Number 4.
and service.
Ay, napakagaling. Nag-review ang ating friend. Of course, di ba, as a BU, dapat alam na natin itong 4 pillars. And speaking of 4 pillars, kung, just a short trivia, di ba? Itong 4 pillars natin, nagmula po sa ating college, sa Bicol University College of Education.
10 years na ba ang College of Education, Jamie?
Ilan na nga? 101 years na tayo, Vince. Di ba? Ang tagal ng ating college. Sana ay nagtatagal. Kayo ba? Nagtagal ba kayo? Ay, sige, change topic daw. Ayaw na ng ating friend.
Pero, syempre, makikita mo, marami na dito mga... Ang ganda ng College of Medicine, no? Tingnan nga natin. May laman ba? Ay, sorry po, nasira pa. Pero Trish, ano ba napapansin mo ngayon sa mga decorations ng Bicol University? Iba't ibang colleges din.
Actually, ang ganda nung, lalo na yung sa medyo sa daanan, yung mga ilaw-ilaw. Yung pagkabas mo pala, parang pagkabas mo pala yung mga ilaw, ay, tapos makita mo yung mga designs ng every colleges, di ba? Napakabongga. Kaya, damang-damay natin ang spirit ng Christmas sa buong Bicol University.
Tama ka dyan. And syempre, dahil December na, it's a season of giving and receiving. And in a Siinian fashion, narinig niyo ba yun? Yun. Hanapan natin. Nasaan na? Shhh! Silence.
Silence.
Silence?
Silent night na naman? Silent night na naman? Silent night na naman?
From the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English 4B, let us all welcome Ivan Ross.
Pasko, sadyang naiiba. May caroling, may aginaldo at panalpang. Mga lingkod sa puso ay di madarama. Dahil ng Pasko ay pagsasaya. Pasko dito sa atin, sadyang naiiba. May caroling, may aginaldo at panalpang. Mga lingkod sa puso ay di madarama. Dahil ng Pasko ay pagsasaya. problema kalimutan mo na. Maraming sa puso di ko madarama. Dahil ang Pasko ay pagsasaya. Pasko dito sa atin sa siyang naiiba. Magharang may alinalo at palumpa. Maraming sa puso ay di madarama. Dahil ang Pasko ay pagsasaya. Awitin pa rin pagkatapos ko sa sabi dito sa aking tubig pagkatapos ko pag-ibig kailangan ang pag-ibig na pagmamahal sa lahat o hinay na naman. Awitin pa rin pagkatapos ko sa sabi dito sa aking tubig pagkatapos ko pag-ibig kailangan ang pag-ibig na pagmamahal sa lahat o hinay na naman. Awitin pa rin pagkatapos ko sa sabi dito sa aking tubig pagkatapos ko pag-ibig kailangan ang pag-ibig na pagmamahal sa lahat o hinay na naman. Kaya't magsama-sama'y Pasko pagbunuan. Kailangan ang pag-ibig na pagmamahal sa lahat o hinay na naman. Sa lahat o hinay na naman.
Ayan, narinig niyo ba yun, Vince and Trisha?
Oo naman, syempre. Meron akong dalawang tayo.
Ay, pero ba? Diba, napakagaling talaga ng ating mga Singinians. Sila yung mga talentadong future educators. At diba sabi sa kanta kanina, lungkot sa puso ay di madarama dahil ang Pasko ay pagsasayaw. Sino dito ang mga malalamig ang Pasko? Sige nga, meron ba dito ang may malalamig ang Pasko? Lahat ba? Deserve niyo yan. Anyway, ang mahalaga ay sanay na tayo. Joke lang, syempre, sa pili ng ating mga kaibigan, sa ating mga professors, di ba? Damang-dama natin ang init ng pagmamahal ngayong Pasko.
Tama ka dyan, Jamie. Pero nabanggit mo kanina na yung mga Singinians talented at magaling kumanta. Hingi ba tayo ng sample kay Jamie, Trisha?
Ay, sure!
Sige nga, sample. Sabi-sabi tayo, sample!
Last Christmas. Wag mo na, sa 24 na lang. Patawad daw. Ikaw ba, Trisha? Sige nga, sample.
Thanks. Ayun, okay rin kasi baka mamaya kumanta ako. Ay, hindi joke, baka mamaya may presentation kami. Balik ko lang naman, pakantahin ako, pero ayan, I'll excuse myself kasi di ba sabi daw, pag College of Education, magagaling kumanta at sumayaw. Kaya, syempre mag-warm up muna ako sa gilid and stretching namin. See you later!
See you later, alligator. Bye, Trisha. Pero Jamie, nabanggit din nila na sabi daw, si Ian din, talentado na dancer. Dance moves naman dyan. 1, 2, 3, go! Grabe.
Wag pa naman akong i-dog show dito, Vince. Naka-skirt ako. Ayun nga, syempre napaka-talented talaga ng ating Singinians. Hindi lang sa, yun nga, pagtuturo, di ba? Sa singing and dancing din. And right now, I believe they are here, they are ready to present their talents. So everyone, let's all feel the Christmas spirit as we witness the stellar performance of the Buseng Dance Troupe.
Guys, I'm not, you don't make me do this every single time. Oh, want you.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, we'll have bright signs to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a strong time to bring the garden in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle bells, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mixing, mingling, jingle the beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell
If you want my love, you gotta do what it does. If you want this sweet like sugar, good chillin', I need a little more. Baby, don't call me a friend. If you think you wanna try, then go send this invitation. Kiss my ass goodbye. Give me that title, title. Come and give me that title, title. Then give me that title, title. Come and give me that title, title.
pahinga naman ang ating friend Vince. Nasaan ang friend natin? O, di ba hiningal ka? O, hiningal siya, no? Di ba? Deserve mo yan. Di ba, ang galing naman talaga. Parang deserve ulit ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Ang galing talaga ng ating sweet unions.
Kaya naman, Trisha, gusto mo naman pahinga ba?
Wait lang. Inhale. Ay, exhale. Ayan, so, more pa ba? More pa ba? Hina naman? More pa ba?
Kaya naman, pahinga muna tayo sa dance. Balik tayo sa song performance by...
Of course, by Camille Burson and Francine Mendoza from Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education 1. Wala ka naman natin. So yan, since nakanta na yung susunod na dance, ulitin natin ulit. Ulitin natin ulit. Wala tayong choice, okay? Kasi ito yung nahanda ko. Okay, decision ako for tonight. So yan, Pasko ng Pinos. Again, one more time. So yan, hey! Nadarama ko na ang nagdahangin. Narinig ko pa ang nangingin. May dalang kang kaprisa sa matinong kapoy. Ang bawat kalat ay galit. Iba mukha ng siya. Hilig ng Pasko'y nadarama ko na. May kasalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Ang kaligayahan natin walang bukas. Hindi alintana kung walang pera. Basta tayo'y magkakasama, ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas. May simpleng regalo na sinigaw at sinigaw para sa inaanak na nag-aabang. Ang bawat pamilya ay magkakasama sa paggawa ng Christmas tree. Ayan ang barkada at ikaw ay niyaya para magsimbang gabi. Ibang mukha performance, we have from Francine Mendoza from Culture and Arts 1.
So, good evening po. Again, I am Francine Mendoza from GKL1 and I'll be singing to you Rocking Around the Christmas Tree.
Nanginginig po ako mga
Walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party now. Mr. Coleman, you can see the couple tries to stop. Walking around the Christmas tree at the party now. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and do some pie. You will dare to sing and to feeling when you feel. For it's the sun, let's be jolly. Take the halls where all the party rocking around the Christmas tree. Everyone's dancing and all that day. You will listen and I'm feeling and you breathe. Voices singing as the dark retreats. The hearts with thousand running, running around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily and new old-fashioned way.
Thank you so much sa ating performance and I hope you all enjoy our performance.
Ayan, talaga. Oh, pero Trisha, di ba? Magpapasok mo na, syempre, ilang buwan na lang, mag-graduate na tayo. Ang tanong, mag-graduate ba tayo?
Uy, dapat manifesting yan. Lahat kayo mag-graduate!
Manifesting na makapasa tayo sa mock licensure examination for teachers happening next week. Pagdasal natin yan. Kaya maraming salamat po to the University College of Medicine.
And I am Trisha Yvonne Fabular.
This has been Jane Faring.
And this is Vincent Marini Ora. We are from the Bengal University College of Education saying Merry Christmas, and thank you very much.
Alright, so, in the spirit of Christmas, alam niyo naman, nakita yung nangyari sa CM, di ba? So, may I request the CE students to please form a circle around the Christmas tree. All the CE students, come on. College of Education, around the tree. Nag-perform lang, nag-perform. Sorry guys, sorry, you're nag-perform. Kasama kayo? Alright, so, before I formally announce what's going to happen, Dean, Minya, in behalf of the Big University College of Medicine, we would like to announce that the admission for College of Medicine will be on January. Mukhang qualified po sila. Sa akin na. Talent na. Pwede na. Alright. May I call in the college secretary to please say something and surprise them with your gift.
Good evening. First of all, ang galing nyo. Thank you. Congratulations. And on behalf of the Bengal University College of Medicine faculty
Thank you, Dr. Karen. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Silian. Thank you, Bibinia, for sharing the night with us. Okay, photo. Dean, please join them. Yeah. Fine, I'm going to be Miss Karen, you
Ay, sorry si ma'am.
Wait lang.
Ay, sorry si ma'am. Ay,
Okay.
thank you, Singy, for joining us tonight and sharing the festivities for Christmas cheer.
Say bye. Wave.
Para si Medicine! Okay, alright, thank you guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to acknowledge the donors for our prizes. Dr. Ariane Roa, Dr. Mark Armenia, Dr. Brown Jude Rivera, Dr. Jenny Campanisa, Dr. Arian Kama, Dr. Alexis D, Dr. Rogelio Rivera, Dr. Karen Rances, Dr. Rafael Tayo, Dr. Lisette Chuan, Dr. Benito Bedurize, Dr. Cristina Brogales, Dr. Rick Nisip, and Dr. Amir Nisip, my wife, Dr. Nick Guetta as well. Now, I have some questions for you.